Whoa. Welcome to Yukon, North 61. Hillberg Caron 4. Beautiful. So weatherproof. The storms, doesn't matter. First day I had it set up 70-kilometer-hour gusts and put the tunnel towards it and hardly moved. Incredible. Now I moved it into a little cover. Oh hey, moved my camp. So I've got a porch. A clearing here, protected on all sides. I'm in a fortress of 4 big spruce trees. 5 actually, 6. Put it right on the coals. Leave your grill at home. Okay, now I've got my big cup of coffee. Warm me from the inside. And I filled this with hot water, boiled water. So now I'm going to have drinking water that's purified from the fire for free. And I'm going to slip this in my jacket, drink my coffee, solid comfort, all from our friend the fire.